This is a tutorial on how to make a payment online using Patron Portal. If you have not requested access to your Patron Portal account, you will first have to request access. You can watch our video on how to request access and set up your account. To access the Patron Portal, go to farmcoop.efcapps.com. From here, you will enter in your username and password. Once you have entered in your information, click the Login button. Next, you will select your account. Then click the Payment drop-down button on the left side of the page. For this tutorial, we will choose Pay by Invoice. Once you have selected how you would like to pay, you will click the invoice that you would like to pay. When that is selected, click Schedule Payment. This will take you to the Schedule Your Payment page. Select the date that you wish to make the payment on. Once the date has been selected, press the Authorize button. To authorize your payment, press I agree. This will automatically withdraw money from your bank account on the day that you have selected.